Hey guys, it is that time again. This time it's a little different. So, kinda had to order this from Amazon, especially since it was on sale, and it will hopefully work in the room that I'm trying to create for the American Girl dolls. The thing is, my mother insisted on seeing this table up close, in person, right now. So we kind of peeked at it and took it apart and looked at it. But I saved some things for us, you guys. So here are all the accessories and things we're going to look at. Some more accessories, a notepad or drawing pad or something. But let's look at the furniture first. So first, we have this beautiful, I love it, this beautiful pattern on this bright yellow chair made out of metal. It is heavy, heavy, heavy. And then we have this pink one, kind of a muted hot pink, not as bright as your normal hot pink. And it has the same funky pattern on the seat, which I love. And last but not least, this is a beautiful table. I was not expecting it to be made out of wood and metal. I was expecting something in plastic, but AG has surprised me again. This is absolutely beautiful and definitely worth the $100 it originally cost. I think I got it for like $82 or $85 from Amazon. So those are all the furniture pieces. Now, let's look at the accessories. Okay, tape, easy enough. Okay, so. Hello, nosy girl. Finish eating your food, I'm sorry. That was in your way, I'm sorry. I gave them some snacks so they can leave me the heck alone. And it's working out pretty well. Zuki still has 2 left. Okay, so let's look at everything. So, first we have this kind of sea foam or mint colored tote carrier for all your little art supplies. We have this cute glue gun, and it has a little tab thing so the doll can actually hold it, which is really cute. We have some buttons for the dolls to make. I'll show you guys. That's what we're here for, to see the stuff up close and in person. So here's the front, there's the back, and then you're supposed to use these on the button front. So let's see. You have one that's a girl. You have one that says let love win. The other one says equality, rethink, recycle, resist, I think. Then you have the heart, then you have be kind. So these are supposed to go on here. Then back out. There we go. So that's the buttons. So that's together. Then we have, looks like 4 markers, I believe. Let's see. Get them out. Yeah, 4 markers. You have red, black, hot pink color, and turquoise. Tops do not come off. Then I have no clue what these are. I'm going to guess that they're glue sticks. Pink with glitter, a clear one with glitter, and a gold one with glitter. I have some scissors. 3 colored pencils, lime green, purple, and yellow. We have some more stickers for decorating. Have some, I want to say, contact paper. Let's see if they're in different colors. Or construction paper. Yeah, they have different colors, so that's cool. You can make different color signs. That's really cute. And last is our poster board drawing pad. Aw, that's really pretty. So there's a blank book. Draw what you want to put the stickers on here. So I really like this set. It is something world something. World by Us. It is retired, so it's no longer on the AG website. But again, I found mine on Amazon and it should still be available. So we're gonna go ahead. I want to do the unboxing with you guys first. Now I can go ahead and get it set up in the room and see if it's gonna work. If it works, I will show you guys the final room basically. So hopefully we'll be back if it works. Hey guys, we are about to open up our last piece of furniture for the AG collection. So we just got this today, June 10th, from good old Amazon. Gotta love when they have something on sale. So this fits perfectly, hopefully, it fits in perfectly for our new room. I just hope that it actually fits in the spot that I have in mind for it. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, and then see if it fits. Okay, Suki, stop your box obsession. So we have our instructions. Here is the base for the light. Pretty heavy. Like a metal plastic combination. That's gonna be trash. Let's see what else we have. We have our pillows. Don't mess with Mizuki. Let's see. I think this is the rest of the lamp. So this is our lamp. Let's see if it really works. Yes, it does. Wow. Cool, AG. So this is trash. And we have our cushion and the rug. So here's one side of the rug. So here's one side. Here's the other side. And we have our cushions. They can be this way, this way, this way, or this way. Lots of options here. And the main piece. Oh, you're heavy. I'm guessing you're wood. Oh yeah, you're wood. Oh my gosh. And there's our main piece. So I think we would do this combination. I like that. So we're gonna pause, we're gonna clean the shelf off, and then we're gonna see if this fits. So we'll be back, hopefully.